Heating your home is typically one of the most significant utility expenses you face, often making up to more than 40% of a utility bill. Some of these tips can save you hundreds of pounds per year on your energy bill. In this video, we will be going through several tips of which you can do yourself to save money on your energy bills. Control your central heating. You may be surprised to find that many people don't actually know how to use their thermostat properly. Learning how to control your heating system settings to deliver optimum temperature in accordance to your lifestyle can help cut your bills significantly. The Centre for Sustainable Energy recommends programming your boiler to turn the heating on 30 minutes before you wake up in the morning, but at a lower temperature, and by reducing your room temperature by just 1 degree, a change you may not even notice. You could potentially cut your bills by up to £75 a year in an average home. Almost a third of heat lost in uninsulated homes escape through the loft or the roof. Insulating your home can significantly reduce heat loss through your walls and loft, meaning less energy is required to keep your home warm. Although insulation isn't always cheap, it is worthwhile investment, as you could save up to £160 a year on your energy bills by insulating your home. Cushion draft excluders are a cheap way to block drafts whilst accessorising your home, and can be purchased for as little as £1. Self-adhesive rubber seals for your doors and windows are also relatively cheap and easy to install. Swapping your single glazed windows to double or triple glazed windows also reduces heat loss through the glass. If this is too costly, even closing your curtains at night can help to create a protective layer of insulation. But make sure to open them during the daytime to make the most of the heat from the sun. A-rated double glazing can save you up to £155 per year. Whilst having your sofa next to a radiator might seem like a great idea, your sofa will in fact absorb the heat that could be warming the rest of your home. Also, letting clothes dry and curtains rest on the radiators prevent the hot air from circulating freely. This means more energy will be used in order to heat the whole home, costing you a lot more. If your boiler is over 10 years old, it may be time to upgrade to a newer, more efficient model, as an inefficient boiler can end up costing you hundreds more in energy bills each year. Whilst forking out for a new boiler may seem counterintuitive when trying to save money, by purchasing a new A-rated boiler, you could potentially save £350 a year in energy bills, making it a worthwhile investment. Having your boiler serviced every year by a gas-safe registered engineer will ensure it is running efficiently and allows the engineer to spot and fix any potential issues early on before they become a much more expensive problem to repair, saving you money on both heating and repair bills. It's also worth noting that most boiler warranties become invalid without an annual service, so take care of your boiler and it will take care of you. By making just a few simple changes, you could make great savings on your energy bills. Switch your appliances off instead of leaving them on standby, as they can still consume 75% of the energy they use when turned on. Switch your lights off when you leave the room. Unplug or turn off chargers even if they are not plugged into a device. Only boil as much water as you need. Use extra layers such as clothes or blankets to stay warm. If you have tried these tips and tricks, but your bills are still abnormally high, it may be time to replace your boiler entirely. If you are in the market for a new boiler, then check out iheat.co.uk. We offer a free fixed price quote and install as quickly as tomorrow. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.